We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
So one of the things that people get quite overwhelmed with is looking at their lighting plan and choosing the features that they want to create throughout the house. Do you have a concrete slab? If you're doing double story, you need to be able to think about the LED lighting and where your pendants are going to go. As soon as that concrete slab is on, they're things that have got to stay. Always start at the heart of the home, which is your kitchen. They're going to be your main features, and then you can roll out the rest of your home. So if you've got more of a rustic house, a mech nest light is an absolute beautiful feature that you can use. But even if you're wanting to have a bit of a mixture of lights, don't get too bogged down in the detail. Find things that you love and mix and match. You can actually put some wrought iron chandeliers in with some beautiful crystal chandeliers. You can start mixing up some wood to actually ground an area in a bedroom. The other thing that you can look at doing is looking at your wall sconces. Don't just be boring and having a light or LEDs. Look at where else that you can create ambience and light and create that style and layers. When you're looking at choosing your lights, come down to Schots Emporium because they've got the largest display of lights, and this is a way that you can get your sizing of a light and you'll never get that wrong.